Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in and show you how to make changes to your forms. So I have forms set up in two ways generally. One is through Flowdesk, which to edit those, you actually log into Flowdesk. And then one is through Gravity Forms, which is through your website. It just really depends on how we're wanting to pull that information. If it's something that you're wanting to put into your email marketing and your email funnel, then we'll set that up through Flowdesk. If it's just something that you're wanting to gather information through your website and not necessarily use those emails to build a list, then we're going to use Gravity Forms. So if you were using Gravity Forms, I will show you, this is my website questionnaire, and this is a Gravity form. So in order to edit this, normally you would just enable Visual Builder and you would edit this. But since this is a Gravity form, you're actually going to head on over to your dashboard and to Forms. And then you'll select Edit. And your form will be right here. So to make changes, you click on it, and then you'll see right here, you'll have your field label. And it gives you lots of options. So say you wanted to add middle name, say you don't want it to be required, or you do. All sorts of options here. But the main thing probably is going to be the name, the description, and whether or not you want it required. So if you wanted to add a new form, obviously you just select new form and put a title in it. And you will have a blank form to start from. So you have your standard options here. This is just a single line. This is paragraph text. And again, to change what they say, you'll just say, you'll just put it here and you'll see it pops up right there. And again, you can make it required, all that sort of stuff. You can also go to advanced fields. And this is really handy because then if you want to collect name, phone, and email address, all you have to do is select them. And then if you needed to go and make them required or not required, easy peasy. So let's update that. The next thing I want to show you is the settings. So go into form settings. This is where you can change the title or the description, the button text at the bottom, what that says. All this kind of stuff is in here. Next, you can go to confirmations, and this is what people will see once they complete the form. So let's click on that to edit. And you can just change this however you want. Thanks for contacting us. We'll get in touch with you shortly. That is the standard statement. But if you want to say, thanks for contacting us, you will receive an email within 24 hours. Something along those lines. You can change that here. You can bold it. You can make it a header, all that kind of stuff. You can also redirect them to another page on your website, which is a really nice touch. So save that confirmation. Then notifications. This is very important. If you set up a form, you want to make sure you have your notifications set. So let's edit to go to your email. It might be set to go to admin email, which in this case could be me. And if that's the case, I will let you guys know. But you want to make sure that you put your email in here, and you can put multiple people in there as well. So if you want multiple people to receive those emails. And again, just once you're done, you'll update the notification. So yeah. And then if you decide to add a form, all you have to do is add a new page or go to an existing page, and you'll just click add form. And there is our form we have just created. Let's save draft and preview. And there it is. There is our brand new form. You can also go back, and if you don't want your sidebar, which a lot of times I don't, I like full width, but that is up to you guys. Wait for that to save. Let's refresh. Yeah, so now you have a full width form. Yeah, so there's a lot you can do with this. If there's anytime there's anything that you want to do that you are having trouble figuring out, just let me know. To customize the look of this, which if you have Gravity Forms, I've already customized it for you. But to customize the look of this, I use CSS. So if there's something along those lines that you want to change, just let me know. So that was Gravity Forms. Let's now head over to Flowdesk. And if you want to edit a form that's pulling from Flowdesk, you go to Forms, and you will go to the form you want to edit. And I just set this one up. And for this one, you can change the way it looks. So, and if I've set up Flowdesk for you, I already have your color palette set up for you as well. So say you want to change the color. If you want to change the text, you can do that here. Change that back. You can change the field. Now, the reason I would use Gravity Forms over Flowdesk is Flowdesk only allows you to collect first name, last name, and email address. That's it. So if that's all you're wanting, then we use Flowdesk. But if you are wanting to use any other information, we would want to set that up through Gravity Forms. So, and then, this is always something that's a little tricky. If you decide you want to do a message, so after they fill out the form, the thank you, that is in message. You have to kind of click off of everything, and then you'll see it pop up here for message. Then you will select next. All those are usually already set. And then if I have already put this in your website, then you don't have to do anything with this code. It's already there and it has been updated now. If you're adding a new form, you'll just copy this. And let me show you that real quick. So you'll come over here, you'll see visual. You'll click text, and you'll post your code there. And then let's save draft, view page, scroll down, and there we go. There is your email or your new form from Flowdesk. So this Gravity Forms is more robust. It has way more options. You can collect way more information. Flowdesk is a little more easy peasy, more simple, but both of them have their places. So yeah, and then if you guys are starting from scratch, which I doubt you are, but if you're starting from scratch and need to add this header form or header code, just let me know and I can get that added. But yeah, that is how to edit your forms. Let me know if you guys have any questions.